pagka-dancer. Dapat active mo mentally o physically. So, ready, prepare the teacher na. Energizer. So, again, ako guys si Teacher Chrislyn Joy Camansi, or you can call me Teacher Chrislyn. Okay, ang ato ang title sa itong one karon Energizer kay bird dance song. Ang tuno niya kay Mary had a little lamb. So, every verse kay naa siya kanang that twist, ha? So, pasakto sa mga teacher ko, kung saan pag mo na teacher, nag-give mo, saan mo pag ang that twist pa, kung anong magamit na mo ang pagka-dancer, kung ano mo ang pagka-singer. Okay? Kantawin nato ha. 1, 2, 3, go! I run and jump today, jump today, jump today. I run and jump today, this is the present tense. So, ang black quiz ating class, ang kaling I run and jump today. Everyone, dapat mag-perform yun. Ha? Para mas ma-energize mo ba? Pinagdan mo, perform mo ha? Okay, may sa engineering signature. Ang verse 2, inyong kantahon, but inyong position pinaka-freeze. But still, missing lang hapon mo. Okay? Okay. Isa pa makita ang last picture. Ang last, kahit inyong yung kantahon, by the end of the song, may mo, i-raise niyo yung hand, isulti ninyo, coming soon. Okay, I want, so nakasagot na mo kanan, same lang ang tuno ha?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, nakasagot na mo kanan, so everyone, please stand up and let's energize our body. Okay, kung may makita si teacher na naglingkod pa, sasayaw mo ni teacher ang pagkakasal sa tupangan. Okay, I want everyone to please stand up. Sorry sa live si teacher, para makita si teacher ko, may perform bagay kanan. Okay? Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3, go! I run and jump today, jump today, jump today. I run and jump today, this is the present tense. I run and jump yesterday, jump yesterday, jump yesterday. I run and jump yesterday, this is the past tense. Very good, student. Last. I run and will jump tomorrow, jump tomorrow, jump tomorrow. I run and jump tomorrow, this is the future tense. Coming soon. Very good, students. So before you sit down, may sapalit ko lang kanan. Dapat, please arrange your chair properly. Kita sa pieces of your chair. Okay, ma'am, muna sa yung discuss teacher, guys. Mas makadukog mo. Okay, class. You may now sit down. Again, class, good evening. Good evening, teacher. Palawin naman yung manis na to. Na-energize mo balik. Again, class, good evening. Good evening, teacher. Wala, mga liyawan ni Nina. Second sa ating class? Wala. Kaya na class, ako na lang ulit na ako. Okay. English is for yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Can you say that word class? Dapat dungan mo ha, dapat energy instant kay di kang tanang energizer. Okay. English, again, everyone please read.
English is for yesterday, today, and tomorrow.
Okay, very good students. Karon class, kay mag-check ka sa akong attendance. Ang atong checking of attendance na rin for that quiz. When I call your complete name, you need to repeat your last name and then you need to say, I'm ready to shine. O na ha? O na. Okay. Check. Why are you laughing, class? Ayaw magkatawa ha. Okay, serious si teacher today, okay? Okay, very good. So, alahen your root. Very good, alahen. inyong class. Ganito. Ikaw managing. Very good. Okay. Wala tayo ang simple. At lawa. Ang mabirito ka ni mas estudyante na buhay. Okay. Para magmalinaw ng ato para magmalinaw ang kanisunod sa eskwelahan, dapat naging tayo ipalo nga classroom rules. Teacher, anong importante magnanaing classroom rules sa sulod sa eskwelahan? Ikaw mo makatupag mo na class, anong importante gid nga naay classroom rules sulod sa eskwelahan? Oo, ano? Sa rason anong naagi classroom rules sulod sa eskwelahan? Okay, ang atong classroom rules class is nag-stand siya sa word nga shine. Okay. I want everyone to please read what is on the statement of S.
Show respect. Be kind, polite, and considerate to everyone.
Okay, sa gawas o sa sulod sa eskwelahan, dapat ma-apply din na nato ang atong pagkakain, polite, o atong pagka-respeto sa usa-usa. Dili lang sa duwangan, dili lang sa maestra, kundi sa to, sa tao. Oh, very good. Second one.
Have courage. Try new tasks. Answer confidently. And don't be afraid to learn.
Very good students. Dapat na muna mo courage sa inyong kaugalingon. Ano man. Dapat kay Bobo na ka na. Hindi lang yung butang yung kaugalingon sa ginhala. Kay kung di ka mo komportable. Dapat mo step up mo sa another nga opportunity para mas ma-enhance o kuha ninyo yung kaugalingon. Next one.
Inspire others. Be a role model. Encourage your classmates and spread positivity.
Okay, nga na elementary students sa mga pa mo, be a good role model sa mga grade 3, grade 2, grade 1 o kinder. Dili kayo magpakuha ng gano'n. Ay, bata pa man ko kay grade 4 ko, dili. Dapat, kuha yung knowledge ba? Kanang advanced physical class. Next, please read.
Never give up. Keep trying. Develop creativity.
Okay, you need to keep trying even kanang kuha na, di kayo minuto. Ay, di ko, ay, this one, kanang kumakalit. Padayon, dili. Inyong ipadayon, halang na reason mo. Ano man, ala na yung kumala. Ang dili ka ng class. Everyone, please listen at the back. Okay, so dili ka na kuha na, hibaw, dili, i-close na yung kaugaling, ay, kaniyang kumbalang sakit ko na ni, moving to move from another one, okay? Dili, mag-push ko mong lain, para mas ma-discover pa ninyo ang inyong kaugalingon. The last one, class.
Participate actively in all lessons, games, and rewards.
Dapat engaging mo, dapat participate mo sa atong group activities sulod sa classroom, even sa gawas, dapat active mo mentally and physically. Very good students. Kung karon, mag-review sa ta before sa move sa ato ang new lesson. Okay. Do you still remember what is our last do you still remember what is our last lesson, Fergie?
We are talking about the verb teacher.
Okay, very good. If you still remember, what is verb? Huh? Okay. Kita ang langit. Very good. Okay, can you give me 3 examples of verbs? Yes, Mencele.
Running, swimming, walking.
Wala, pabibigod sa mga students. Uy, kaminaw yung kayo sila. Pabibigod sa mga students. Uy, so sakto yung answer. Atong topic yesterday is all about verbs. So, sa manang verb, it is an everyone please read.
Action word.
So, what are the 3 examples of verbs?
Walk, jump, run, and many more.
Okay, very good students. Unang like example sa verbs. And now, naipakuan dito si teacher. Mystery box address si teacher. Sulod sa mystery box, picture o statement. Kaning nga activity is nani siya po next sa tuwag lesson karon, new lesson karon. So I want 3 students to stand up in front. Okay, Era, Winston, and Armando is on in front, sir. Ay, students. Everyone, why are you talking? Keep silence. Okay. Ano mo sa
Go air.
Okay. Ang instruction na na class is nakapig na mo o mga kuha na sa mystery box. And you need to identify if it is past, present, or future. So, ano? Okay na. Class, ayaw mo class. Class, wala na confident hindi mo. Okay? Okay. Students, okay. Ibutang na ninyo sa blackboard. Dahil spota ninyo kung past na siya, present, or future. Okay. Ibutang na class. Class. Ano nagsaba ka? Dili magsaba. Okay, masayo kayo. Ito na nato. Sayo. Nag-idea lang ninyo yung class ba?
Charger G. Laban.
Ayun sa uling ko kay. Ayun sa kuwangan. Ipakita na yung pagwapa o pagwapo.
Nakakuskulangan. Naaman to sa balay.
Okay? What about
Naabot sa
Vincent?
balay. Ako lang to dyan.
Okay. Give a round of applause to Winsel, Armando, and Era.
Tanong tayo.
Let's see kung ilang answer sakto ba or dili. Okay, nakuha mo sa kubangan para mo point sa kanang
Tira-tira na.
point sa laptop. Let's see kung sakto ba yung answer. Okay, can you come in front, please? Bench. Will you read? Hindi ko tayo sa kubangan. Bench. Ang answer ni Armando, tanaw na to, sakto ba? Can you please read what is on the PowerPoint? Okay. Let's see kung sakto ba ang answer ni Armando. Okay, very good, Armando. Please give a round of applause to Armando. Very good. Next, ang tanong natin sa kubangan, Casey. Bernadine. Can you please read what is on the PowerPoint? Bernadine. Okay. Let's see kung saan answer. Hala, sakto ang answer ni Ella. Please give a round of applause to Ella. Wala, alright. Galing na sa best boy. No need to discuss. Ikaw mo na mag-unsang answer. Wala. Wala mo na si teacher Ami. Kaya kasi si teacher na yung correctionan sa iyong students. Okay, can you please come in front, please? Ay, alahin nyo. Please read. Okay, i-point. Makita na ito kung saan answer yung answer. Okay, very good. Right, paling dinoy. Uy! Okay, give a round of applause to yourself, class. Clap yourself. Okay, very good, students. Okay, kibaw naman mo sa present, past, or future. Di na lang mag-discuss si teacher. Kay mga bright naman kayo mo. Ayaw, kay white kayo si teacher. Okay, ang atong lesson karon is all about tenses of verb. Can you please count how many examples of tenses of verbs? Can you please count?
1, 2, 3.
So how many examples of tenses of verbs?
3.
Okay, very good students. Okay? O, hindi mag-topic. Okay, class, can you please read?
Verbs.
Indicates when an action in a sentence takes place, past, present, or future.
Okay, when we say tenses of word class, it indicates when an action in a sentence give the place past, present, or future. Dili na ito ma-identify kung kano sa gibuhat, kano sa pabuhaton, o kano sa planuhon nga buhaton. Ato ang kailhanan ni class is magikan sa action word. And now, makaino mo, gusto may kalahian na ng past, present, and future teacher. Karon atong tagsa-tagsaon kung unsay kalahian sa tulo. Everyone, can you please read?
Past tense of the verb tells that something already happened.
Okay. Ang buong pasabot sa past tense class, ang kaning past tense is nahitabo na siya. Humana. Can you read usab na sa example?
Were made the apple yesterday.
So kano sa man ikaw ng apple?
Yesterday.
Okay, kagahapon. So ang buong pasabot aning past tense class, ang ato laging pupusan is ang kaniang word no word niya. When we say past tense, it is already happened, which is nakaon na niya ang apple. Anang pagka yesterday, which is humana, nahitabo na. Mao na ang buot pasabot sa everyone. Wala na naminaw sila. Dinoy, masay buot pasabot sa past tense.
Ang past tense teacher kay kuha na already happened was na.
Oh, nahitabo na. Very good. The next one, pasabot ra mo class. Oy, very laughing. Everyone please listen. Okay, the next one is the present tense. Everyone please read.
The present tense of the verb that something is now happening.
Okay, kung ang past tense is humana, nahitabo na o nabuhat na, while ang kaning present tense is gibuhat pa. Gibuhat pa ang action or gikaon pa na niya ang apple. Sama sa example diri, the worm eats the apple. So kano sama na gikaon ni worm ang apple? Okay, karon pa na siya mismo na gitabo. Okay. Nakasamot ra mo class?
Yes.
Okay, very good students. Please read what is future tense.
The future tense of the verb that tells something will happen in the future.
Okay, please read the example.
The worm will eat that apple soon.
Okay, kung ang past tense nahitabo na ang action, kung ang present tense is gihibuhat pa siya. Well, ang kanang future tense is giplano pa siya nga buhaton nga kana nga action. Okay, unsa ang future tense? Oh, giplano pa siya. Pero okay, very good students. Ug karon, okay ba kung kamo na curious mo, teacher? I-explain naman nimo kung unsa ang kalahian sa past tense, present tense, ug future tense. Nya karon teacher, what if pahimuon minimum statement? Unsaon man namo pagkuan ang word teacher? Unsa may kalahian na nila? Okay, karon ato ang mas samtun siya. Okay. Class, can you please read?
That's about an action that already happened. Offend is verbs that end and lead or regular form. Example: She walked to school yesterday. The boy ate his lunch.
Okay, ang past tense class, ibagi mo naman ito na ko is nahitabo na ang action. Humana. Ang gusto may timailhan sa statement teacher, kung walay teacher, gusto may timailhan na kada teacher kay past tense. Karon ano na siyang i-discuss. It often uses verbs that end in ed or have irregular form. For example, class, ang first technique ninyo ni class, sa usa ka statement, dapat mag-focus mo kung asa dapit ang verb. Sa dito verb?
Action.
Di ba? Kung sa present tense ang atong gamiton is walk yun na. He yun na mismo ang end word sa walk. Wa mo na curious na ay ibig. Nga naman siya ibig. Okay, Joyan. Okay, very good, Joyan. Give a round of applause for Joyan. Okay, ang di mailhan sa past tense class, mag-focus mo mismo sa action word. Once gani ang statement na mag-end siya o ed, automatic, that is past tense. Mura din na siya technique class. Kung may mo si Juan teacher na direct, kani kay the girl is playing na, direct kay Juan means, ay, kumain na na, kung may picture. Diba? Mag-curious dito mismo. Ano yung mag-compose sa sentence? O, ako ba, nagtabi na, paminaw class. Okay, later on, mamunta na si teacher. Everyone, please listen. Okay. She walked to school yesterday. So, ang keywords na gitana, mag-focus ka sa action word. Dahil, once ganina hindi ang end sa word, automatic lang is past tense. Ari na punta sa ikatuhang na example. Please read.
The boy ate his lunch.
Okay. Di ba ang spelling sa kaong is inani yun? Yes. Huwag mo na ito na-change ang spelling. Kaya ano, not real, it often uses verb that end ed or have irregular forms. Ang regular forms, ma-change siya o kanang irregular. Kaya naman, ang spelling sa it is nani. But not sa example kaya nakita mo naman, so ma-change ang iyang spelling. Okay, class, nakasabot ra mo class kung unsa yung mismo ang technique sa usa ka word pa na ma-identify nato nga kana is past tense.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, let's move to the present tense. Everyone please read.
Tell
Us about an action happening now. When asked S or ES or singular subjects.
Okay. Sa present tense class, sabihin pa ni teacher ganina, ang present tense is gibuhat pa ang action or nahitabo pa ang adlaw. So teacher, kung saan man nato pag ilang ang kanang word is, ang kanang statement is present tense or past tense. Kung ang past tense teacher is na ay ed ang iyang action word sa last na letter, so may timailhan sa present tense. So ang timailhan sa present tense, it often adds S or ES for singular subject. So for example, please read.
She walks to school.
So asa man diri ang action? Walks. So unsa may napuno sa walks para may siya ang present tense?
S.
Okay. Ang napuno niya, di ba, imbis walk para hibok ka nga na S kaya naman. Kaya kanang adlaw, giingon ba dira nga S or ES for singular subject. So, ang action word mapunan siya S or ES. So, dili na po sa ikatuhang na example ni teacher. Please read. Okay. Unsa man yung nakuha na observe sa action word na
ING.
Kasi natin possibility na magamit sa present tense ang ing sa action word. So, okay, nasabta na ninyo ang present tense class?
Yes.
Okay, let's move to the future tense. Everyone, please read.
Tell us about an action that will happen later.
Use it from the class verb or
Okay, teacher, ang past tense and sa action word na ed. While sa present tense teacher kay mag-add ka S or ES or ing. What about sa future tense teacher? So, ano yung punta sa future tense? Okay. Ang future tense, before ang action word, napalay makunang na will. O, for example, please read everyone.
They will visit the zoo.
Okay. They will visit the zoo. So, unsa man ang action, gibuhat na or wala pa? Wala pa. Which is lalo pa. Okay. Tawa. They will, di ba? Nay na po na, diri ang action word, but nay na po na niya ang word na will. So that's the thing, or that's the technique na ma-identify niyo nga kanang word is future tense. Gamay na rin naminaw. Everyone, please. Kung sa hindi mailhan, once ang kanang statement is future tense, nine. Kung sa'yo maguna, ang action word or ang kanang will na word? Okay, very good. So karon, nakasabot naman mo na ipagbuhat sa feature ng activity. And I will divide you into 3 groups. Kani nga lugar is group 1, group 2, and group 3. Okay. And if you hear this picture. Okay. For group 1, ang inyong activity is paminaw class. Kay basi ko niya, nanap ni mangutan mga teacher, saan man ni? Paminaw ha. Ang instruction sa group 1 is 10 sword challenge. Ang instruction in Ani is you need to read each sentence card and place it in the correct envelope. If it is past, present, or future. For example is, I played yesterday. So ang katong sentences nga gianda ni teacher, ato ninyo ibutang sa past nga envelope. So nasabtan ra class?
Yes.
Okay, ikaw ni diri group 1. Nyari na punta sa group 2. Okay. Ang sa group 2, lahi nila ha. Group 2 is you need to act and guess action traits. Ang instruction namin is you need to choose an action cards and show the action if it is past, present, or future tense. Kayani, example, jump. I jump and I am jumping or I will jump. So you need inyong i-act ni nga kanina nasa cards ni teacher. Okay. Nasabtan na group 2?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, very good.
Jump.
Ay, napunta sa group 3. When said, please keep silence. Okay, sa group 3 is many story makers. Ang instruction na is you need to make 3 sentences, 1 in past, 1 sa present, and 1 put sa future. And then you need to read them aloud. For example, in the libro mo, I ate breakfast, I am eating now, I will eat later. Inadala ka simple na sentences. So now we have to three. Okay. Gusto na ko makita ang tananis na to nagka-cooperate. Kaya naman, na-rubrics na diyan sa teacher. Accuracy, 20%, time management, 10%, teamwork is 10%, explanation is 10%, the total of 50%. So, everyone, I'll give you 5 minutes to do that activity na. Pinhanggan mo circle mo para makita na kung nga okay. Nakasabot ra kita ng class? Yes. Very good. So, give a round of applause to yourself and what in yung activity. And now, ay napunta sa read question ni teacher. Kung nakasabot ka mo sa discuss ni teacher, sa tuwang given na lesson. Okay. I will call a random person na mo answer sa question ni teacher. Okay? Okay. Everyone please read what is on to the number 1.
What tells us when action happens?
So, unsa man ang answer, anak? Okay, Iko? Okay, very good. The correct answer is tenses of verbs. Okay, question number 2.
What are the tenses?
Okay, Jillian?
Past, present, future.
Okay, very good. So, give a round of applause to yourself. And question number 3, please read class.
How do we know if the sentence is past, present, or future?
Okay, Vincenti.
So, ang past teacher kay man na ubukan din puno kag iti or and puno kag iti or change the word and present is karon na itabo.
Okay.
S and future kay naunahon pa nimo and puno kag iti.
Okay, very good. future is yung sa tong future
Plano.
Plano pa. Very good. Okay, class, please get your quiz notebook and you will answer 1 to 10 questions. Okay, very good, students. And now, please get your assignment notebook. Okay. Ano yung button sa assignment? May verb sentences. Tulo ka sentences sa present. Tulo ka sentences sa past. Ug sa future. Kung mag-ibig mo class is na, i-prepare si teacher na example. Okay, before mo end ang lesson is na, i-bibili nga po si teacher na ma-reflect mismo sa mga lesson. Everyone, can you please read?
Learn